Hi everyone, uh, back with me. In this video I want to brief to the student about how to use Kahoot, especially in how to find the mathematics quiz to answer it at your home, that you can make it as your own homework. So just log in like I like the video before this, that I teach to the teacher, the same way to student how to log in. So to answer the quiz in the Kahoot, just click the discover section, and you can see many questions that have been provided in the Kahoot. So for math student, just search or click the math button, and you can see many questions about math that you can answer. You can see in my screen too many questions. So for example, I click addition, I click this question, addition within 10 with counter key, but this is for kindergarten. I will find another question that more suitable for our discussion. So this question, geometry effect. So to answer the question, there are two ways. First is just click start, but the start button is if you want to answer with your friend. There are two type of games. There is classic mode that you will play individually with your friend, and team mode that you can team up with your friend. But this section is you can use if you have many friends that you want to play. Your friend just put in the game pin that have been provided in the top, like in the top of the screen. But in this, I don't want to play with my friend. I will play with myself. Just click practice. So enter your nickname to join the game. So your game will start, and many questions that you can answer in this Kahoot that will make your knowledge in mathematics more improved. So this is the sample question. You can see just pick the answer, for example, but it's wrong. You can improve yourself by answer many questions in this Kahoot. There are many questions that you can see. For example, in this quiz, there are 11 questions that you can answer it to improve your mathematics. And that's all from me. I hope it will give you more knowledge about how to use Kahoot. Thank you.